Hello, in front of me I've got Nubia Red Magic 6R and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube, press the screencast button and select your TV. Now when devices are connected, you can play any music you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to disconnect your smartphone, again press screencast button and select stop casting. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.